Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th match in round 3 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between George Headley Primary from St. Andrew up against Guys Hill Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Guys Hill Primary won. They decided to play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Up to Educator clock, Guys Hill Primary, we begin with Bible knowledge. What was the name of David's first wife?
Bathsheba.
Incorrect. Michael. Bible knowledge to you, George Headley Primary. What was the name of Moses' wife?
Sarah.
Incorrect. Zipporah. Guys Hill, science. Which two organs in the body help to rid it of toxins?
Intestines and kidney.
Incorrect. The liver and kidneys. Science to you, George Headley. Which organ in the body helps to provide life for all the other organs?
The heart.
Correct. Guys Hill, Jamaican affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Paula Ann Porter Jones.
Correct. Jamaican affairs to you, George Headley. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Paul Abrahams.
No, it's not him.
Paul Abrahams.
Incorrect. Alan Magnus. Guys Hill, English language. Spell the word scintillating.
Scintillating.
Incorrect. Scintillating. English language to you, George Headley. Spell the word commemorate.
COMMEMORATE.
Correct. Guys Hill, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Just a movie story. Just say Just say it.
Camarian Rogers.
Incorrect. Cicely Tyson. Television to you, George Headley. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Debbie White.
Debbie White.
Incorrect. Loretta Devine. Guys Hill, general knowledge. Which U.S. president was born in Hawaii?
Donald Trump. Just say not Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
Incorrect. Barack Obama. General knowledge, George Headley. In which state was former U.S. President Bill Clinton born?
Virginia.
Alabama.
Incorrect. Arkansas. Guys Hill, social studies. The Earth's core is primarily made up of which two elements?
Iron and minerals.
Iron and minerals.
Incorrect. Iron and nickel. Social studies to you, George Headley. What is the Earth's inner core made of?
Iron and nickel.
No, iron and nickel.
Iron and nickel.
Incorrect. Only iron. Music to you, Guys Hill. How many horizontal lines are on a staff of music?
5.
Correct. Music to you, George Headley. How many spaces are on a staff of music?
4.
Correct. Guys Hill, mathematics. What is the mean average of 60, 92, and 31?
61.
Correct. Mathematics to you, George Headley. What is the median of 52, 81, 80, 12, and 47?
52.
52.
Correct. Guys, and that is the bell signaling the end of section 1. The scores currently read Guys Hill Primary on 3 and George Headley Primary on 4. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, don't be a couch potato. Make sure you are involved in some type of physical activity every day. This will keep you healthy and strong. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is next on the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz.